Hey everyone, thanks for joining me today. I wanted to just take a few minutes to do a quick review on the Aero Cosmetics Wash and Wax Kit. It's if you've got an RV, you know that you want to keep it clean, you want to keep it looking nice. And where we're at right now, we see the detailers that come through here, and they're here nearly every day, and they're washing, waxing people's rigs. And that could be expensive. Actually, we were quoted around $500. Some are even more, $500, $600, $700, and we're just not going to do that. But it is a good investment. Of course, in your RV, you want to keep it protected. You want to keep it looking nice. Of course, down in Florida, where we are right now, the sun will wreak havoc on your RV, and so you want to do that some way, shape, or form. But really, if you can save some money, you want to do that as well. So we've been looking into kits. We've been looking into different ways to be able to wash our RV. Some places you actually travel to, different RV parks, you cannot just hook a hose up to your water and just wash your rig right there. They don't allow that. They think it's a waste of water, whatever it might be. Now this place will allow us to do that, but with a 41-foot rig, that can take some time as well. So we actually looked into buying something that is quick and easy, and is somewhat affordable as well. And so we spent a fraction of the cost of one wash. We spent about $200, and we bought the Aero Cosmetics Wash and Wax Kit. And I want to show that to you right here. I'm going to do an unboxing. This is the way it came right here. So I'm going to open it up here for you. Just show you what came in here. Now it came, this is a I haven't pulled anything out yet, so I don't know. This is the first time I'm seeing it too. So it's kind of neat. You push the button and it extends both ways. That's kind of neat. A real foam handle. It's actually way thicker than a regular type of broomstick handle. And this has been tested on aircraft and boats, and so it works very good for RVs too. I've seen some good reviews about it. But it's supposed to have a really long extension handle. I'm not sure how long it goes, but I'm 6 foot tall. This is probably 8 or 9 feet tall. And so it feels very nice. So it feels like nice quality. A little shaky, I guess, when I do that, but actually feels real good. And it feels like it'll operate very, very good. So I like that. It's a nice handle there. Wash, wax, mop. That's very nice. Let's see what else we have in here. So this, it looks like a carry bag once you get all your stuff here. And this here is kind of the key component to the whole system. It's a two-sided kind of mop head, and what you're supposed to do, of course, you hook up your handle to this, and then you spray down this with the spray that it's included in it, and then you'll use this side here to go over the RV, and then you'll flip it over to the dry side, and you'll go over and dry it that way. So it's kind of neat. It actually says one side says wet side, and then that side says dry side. So in case you get mixed up when you're doing it. So that's nice. And I'm going to actually dump this out because everything's way on the bottom there. Oh, we got more in there. All right, very good. These are supposed to be a couple more to go on here, go on this head here. And when you're done washing, you can put these right in the washing machine and in the dryer, no problem. So this looks like another kind of a drying pad. Maybe they're washing pads, but there's 4 of them. There's 2 here and then 2 in here. So I'm not going to get those out. And I love this here. It comes with a whole gallon of the wash wax all. And from what I've been reading, this will last you about 5 or 6 washes. And so that's actually quite good. I'm planning on washing every quarter, so maybe 3 or 4 times. You know, I'm planning 4 times a year, and so this will take me a year. That's $200, way cheaper than one time with a professional detailer. And it gives you the spray. Use this spray here. You put that blue stuff in here, spray it on the mop, and then thing there, and then you can spray down more. This here, Wash All Multi-Purpose Cleaner and Degreaser. Probably to get off the heavy grease areas, probably the front of the RV where you're going to have a lot of bugs. You're going to have a lot more debris on there, so this will help you get that off. So very, very nice. And it comes with one of these as well. And microfiber towels. Not sure how many are in there. It looks like about 4 of them are in there. And then you have a scrubber too, Aero scrubber they call it. Once again, you put the pink stuff on the front of the RV and you can use this to scrub it up. And then to use the microfiber cloths to wipe it down. So I just wanted to get this now. I don't need to do this yet. The RV has only been in our hands for about 6 or 7 weeks now, but I wanted to have it on hand for when we needed it. I didn't want to wait later or forget about it, that type of thing. And so I was thinking about it, so I thought I'm going to order that. But I think I'm going to like this system. I think I'm really going to like it. I love this type of system where you wash it on one side and then you dry it on the other. So that's pretty neat. Oh, okay. So that's how it works. Just these single mop head like looking things. They just Velcro on there, and so you have 4 extras there, and then you have the microfiber cloth. So it's pretty neat little system. I love this here. That's pretty neat. You can adjust the tension on here if you need it tighter or looser. So so very, very nice. I think I'm going to be very happy with this, and with it for the investment, I think it's well worth it. So if you use something like this, if you tried this, please let me know. Share some comments for us. I'd appreciate that. We're going to try this out, not in this video, but in another video, and we'll show you how we do with it. I think it's going to do very well, and I think it's going to be easy. It's going to be quick and easy, and really, like I said, some parks you go to, they don't allow you to just hook up to the water and just spray down your rig and start soaping it down and rinsing it off. They don't allow that. But this, you're allowed to do because you're not using their water. This is a waterless system. And so you can do this anywhere. You can do this here. You can do this any park, any state park, a national park, no problems, because you're not using water. You're not wasting water like that. So, but anyway, let me know what you do to keep your rig clean, what you do to protect your rig from the sun, from the elements that are out there, what you do maybe to get to kind of maybe clean the front of your rig because of the different bugs and different things that really can really change the look of your RV on the front with all the bugs and things like that. And it just catches everything that comes when you're going 60, 70 miles an hour down the road. So just let me know what your thoughts are, what you do, and I'd appreciate that so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and smash that like button, and please hit that notification bell. We'd appreciate it so much. Thank you once again. God bless you. Bye-bye. Cosmetics, wash, and start over. A wash. What in the world is a wash? Bye-bye.